This is question number 8 from the test 3 review, and the question that was posed was, how do we find these critical values? Okay, how do we know, is it 2.05 or 2.33? And also we need to look at the direction of these arrows. It's always going to be the or situation. It's not going to be B or D because that's an and situation in between. It's always going to be Z is greater than some positive number or less than some positive number. Okay, so we're looking for our Z-stat being out here, we would reject it. So it's always going to be the or situation, but how do we know which one it is? Okay, well, if we look at the problem, it says a 0.02 level of significance, okay? And so 0.02 is our alpha. And it says, what is your decision rule for rejecting a null hypothesis if the population mean is 550? Well, this is not really of concern for us. They're really looking to see if we can find the z-value. We don't know anything else about this problem except trying to find the z-value for this level of significance here. So remember, we've got to find z at alpha over 2. So we put 0.02 over 2, which gives us z at 0.01. Let's tack on a couple of zeros here. And then what we do is we go in the body and find this number and go out to find our z, okay? So we're looking at 0.0100, and we'll go to our negative side here because it's always to the left, and so each of these tails is 0.0100. But we'll look for this one here, okay? And looking on our negative side, 0.0100, I don't know if I said that right, 0.0100. The closest thing, it looks like it's in between these two here, closer to here, negative 2.33. And so that's why this is the correct choice here. So that's how we find those critical values. Is we're going to need a z-chart, and this should be available to you when you're taking the test, but I also have a paper copy just to make it more convenient for me. And since this is a two-tail, that's why I divided alpha by 2. And I'm just going to go to my negative side because this area here's 0.0100. Well, so is this, but remember, on your z-chart, it always gives you the area to the left. And so let's just look here.